We go all the way down to 93 cents. That's the price of the potato salad. Let's go over to the luggage now and see if you can win that luggage. You win that, we'll go right on down the Golden Road. Now, I'm going to show you two of the numbers in the price of the luggage. Those two numbers are 8 and 0. Now, is the first number in the price of the luggage the 9 or the 3 from this price tag? 3, she says, and she's right. You win the luggage. You have the luggage. Now, let's go over to this little car over here. And in the price of this car, there are 4 numbers. And I'm going to show you 3 of those 4 numbers. Now, you come right over here so everyone can see that we have 1, then a 9, and a 5. Now, is that the number, the 3, the 8, or the 0 from this price tag? You say the 3. She says the 3, and it's the times. But you did win the luggage, and I hope you had fun. Bye-bye, Shauna. We'll have another contestant play as soon as we finish.